Hello! I'm Twitch Chat, and this is Umberleah.
Hello.
We decided to swap it up a bit.
We did.
Yeah.
Welcome to our channel.
Yeah, that too.
What are we doing today, Twitch Chat? He doesn't know. Okay.
Pretzels.
So we're doing pretzels. This is a art snacks box. That's a company that does art supplies. He's calling it pretzels.
We're gonna be eating the art.
No, we're not going to eat the art. That'd probably make us sick.
No. It's art snacks.
Well, there might be a snack in it.
Oh.
This is actually the Art Snack Plus. I've already opened the box. I've actually peeked in it too. Sorry, everybody. But he doesn't know what's in it yet, so it's a surprise for him. To caveat this, I do have some kind of education in art, but Twitch Chat does not. So, we'll see what we can do with the supplies inside. A novice and someone with some not novice. I am not a great artist, I'll admit that clearly, so please don't judge us on our art skills, but I do have some knowledge of how to use art supplies in some fashion. Maybe not all art supplies, but some art supplies, whereas Twitch Chat here has a lot less knowledge on what to do. So let's get in the box and see what's in the box. Yeah? Alright. So, I guess first, let's look at what's not in here. What's nice about Art Snack Plus is that they usually send you paper. And this paper is a Fabriano. And I have to find the English. They're an Italian company. It says ultra white drawing paper, very smooth surface, acid free, ideal for graphite, pastel, colored pencils, ink, and acrylic markers. So let's hope there's some of that in here. And then they always send a card with, this is actually what the extra stuff, the plus stuff is, with like how much it would have retailed for. And then in here, they send the card of what would have been in the regular box, if you just got the regular box. Oh, okay. So, have you ever used acrylic paint? No? No acrylic paint? So we have a light blue violet soft body Liquinix paint. And then a Flow Aid. I've actually never used this. Guess it's to make the paint flow more. Oh, here's your snack. It's a crybaby. Would you like to eat a crybaby?
I am a crybaby. I'm a cannibal.
You're a cannibal? You're gonna eat the crybaby? Alright, and this is this month's sticker. This is the November box. So this is the November Art Snacks sticker. How's that crybaby coming along?
You can't chew it.
No. It's just supposed to be a sour thing you suck on, I think. Okay, next we have a zebra brush pen. I don't know anything about this pen. I've never used this product, but it just looks like it might be a pen.
Haha!
What?
You can chew it.
Oh, did it just have to soften?
Mm-hmm.
And it has a green tip that looks like this. And then the next thing is a 0.7 Faber, I don't know how to say this.
It's gum.
But one of these, oh, it's a gum? Gross. So this is what the tip looks like. It's red. So we've got blue, green, and red so far. Interesting color combination. And then a number 6 flat brush. I don't usually use flats. And then a little palette knife. And that's it. So, I guess I'll make little swatches of everything on this paper to see what it's like. And then we'll do little drawings, right? Okay. Have you ever used any of this kind of stuff?
No.
No?
No.
What do you think it's going to be like?
This isn't a knife. It's not even pointy.
It's a palette knife. It's for mixing paint. Or you could use it to spread the paint. Have you ever watched Bob Ross?
You mean the Happy Trees guy?
Yeah, the Happy Trees guy.
Yeah, I've seen memes of Bob Ross.
Memes of Bob Ross, eh? Poor Bob Ross.
I've never watched his show, no.
You've never watched his show?
No.
Alright, well.
He's my most favoritist art person, though.
He's your most favoritist art person, but you've never seen his show.
No.
You know, maybe we should make a video where we follow one of his art tutorials.
We have no way of getting the Bob Ross video
We have no way of
that
getting...
we would be watching.
Are you sure? Are you sure we don't have the technology for that?
Not at the moment.
Alright, you underestimate me. Alright, so in typical me fashion, I've already made a giant mess. And I'm using a really crappy old palette. But it came out really nice and creamy. And it's kind of a nice consistency in between my fingers, so that's fun. I don't usually paint in acrylic. This is kind of out of my element. But we'll see what it's like with just the brush and no... What was this called? Flow Aid. And then we'll add some Flow Aid and see what it's like.
Oh yeah.
Go, Ouija!
Let's go.
Oh boy. I also don't usually use flats. I tend to like rounds a lot more, but we'll see. Just gonna wet this a little. Oh, you know what I didn't bring? Anything to dry brushes with.
Of course.
Of course. Who would have thought?
You always forget something.
I always forget something. He's very right. Okay, so
I was like, let's make a video. And then we get down here, we start making the video. And then it's like, uh-oh, forgot something.
oh, it has nice, it's very nice and opaque. And it flows very nicely on this paper. Which doesn't say it's for paint, it definitely says it's drawing paper. So that's a thing. And that's before I've even added any of this Flow Aid. Alright, so let's clean up this brush and not do it in my coffee. Oh, you know what? I bet you it has a thing too. Yep, it does.
Oops. An ask fell off.
That's okay. We can fix it.
We can edit that part out.
She always wants to make my job harder. Alright, so let's get some of this down on my palette. And
I can't see anything. Where is it?
Paint. Can't see the flow aid or the palette.
I can't see anything. I can see the palette, but it's very.
Okay.
I should just stop breathing. That might be it.
You know what you should do? You should breathe down.
I'm breathing through my nose and my mouth. Because, well, I mean, like.
Oh, because it's hard to breathe in these masks. Yeah.
Yeah. That's why? Normally you take yours off.
Only if we're eating.
Ah.
Are we eating?
Well, yeah. What else is lead paint for?
This isn't lead paint.
Oh.
Acrylic.
But it said it was a snack.
You ate the snack. Alright, so let's get some of this paint. And move it over here. And then add some of this flow aid, I guess. I don't really know how this works. As I said, I'm versed in some painting materials, but not all. Alright. Let's see how this works. I have no idea how this works. I could have read the instructions, but...
Oh, you mean that piece of paper that I used as a tissue?
I don't think that was the instructions.
Oh.
Okay, so it does come out thinner, and it does seem more like... I don't know, like flowy? I don't know. Here, do you want to play with it? Think. Oh, good job at playing. You're so playful. 1 mark. Oh, that's the straight up. Yeah, there you go.
I can't really see. There we go.
You feel satisfied with your smiley face?
Yeah.
Alright. What do the directions say? It says, to increase flow, surface penetration, and workability of thinned acrylic colors. Additives do not contain sufficient acrylic resin to act as binder. Use sparingly. Dilute with water before adding to acrylic color. Whoops. Mix 1 part water before adding to acrylic color. Mix 1 part flow acid to 20 parts water. Do not mix with oils. Well,
we learned something.
We learned
that
something.
I didn't use the instructions as a tissue.
Well, that's
what did
true.
you learn?
That we didn't do it right, but I don't care.
Oh, I didn't get that. Everything else you said was too complicated for me to understand.
That's fine. Next, we're going to try out these markers. I'm going to start with this green brush pen, just to see what it's like. Oh, it's pretty nice. Just going to make a little swatch block here. Kind of has a little matteness to it once it dries. Iridescentness, but also matteness. I don't know. It's kind of strange. It's not something I would pick. Let's say that. And then let's try out this 0.7 red tip. And just, again, make another little swatch. And then I'll show the camera the whole paper. So I'll make a solid piece, and then I'll do like some cross-hatching so everyone can see. Alright, so here is what we did with the drawing materials. And And do you want to test out the marker and... Could you see yourself using that pen for anything?
I don't know.
Don't know. He doesn't know. I own a wide variety of markers, and most of my markers are itty bitty tiny tips. Like tiny tip markers. So that's a really large tip compared to the other markers I own, and I don't tend to own red, so it's an interesting addition to what I own, and I'm not entirely sure how I would incorporate it into other things I own. So yeah. I also don't own a lot of acrylics, but this is a fairly pretty color that I've already made a mess of. I also enjoy the design of this bottle, how it has like a squeeze top instead of like the hole being at the base here, so when you pour it out it goes everywhere, even though I got it everywhere when I took the seal off of the actual bottle. That's a very interesting drawing. So according to Art Snacks, that pen is a fine liner that features a sturdy metal-clad nib and comfortable grip, made from unused automobile plastic, and the pen is highly recyclable. Its brilliant pigment ink is also light, fast, and waterproof. What did you do? Oh, okay. Interesting. Alright, so here's the little drawing that Twitch Chat did at the bottom here, using the red fine liner. Yeah, did you want to actually make a large drawing on these sheets of paper? See what we could do with these, combining these products?
Sure.
Alright. Let's see what we can do. How much time do we want to give ourselves? I'll set a timer.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, so how
That
much
many.
time? That many. Wow. That was so specific.
Well, since we would most likely want to squeeze this video to the 10-minute mark.
Yeah, but we could always do a fast, you know, like a...
Oh, shoot. Fine, in 10 minutes. I was going to say 5.
a 10-minute drawing.
Fine. Is that too much?
No.
5 minutes.
10-minute drawing is good.
Okay.
Alright, so Twitch has decided... Oh, where did I put it? Twitch Chat has decided that we're going to do a 10-minute drawing using these materials. However, can I also use my pencil?
Can I also use a pencil?
Do you have a pencil? Alright, I won't use my pencil.
That's an unfair advantage.
Yes, you're right. Okay, let me find my stopwatch app that I know I have somewhere. That's a clock. Stopwatch app. I know I have it here somewhere. Here it is. I found my stopwatch app. Okay. Stopwatch. Okay. Stopwatch. Countdown. 10 minutes. Okay. Ready?
That's 9.
10 minutes. I think when I let go, it went back to 9. Sorry. Alright, so we've got our stopwatch. We're ready. Are you going to start with this? Alright. We're ready. 10 minutes. Countdown. Ready? Set. What? Why are you looking at me like that? You gonna attack me? I better put the brush. Well, you know, maybe we should, can I have a brush so that we both have a brush?
Sure.
Alright, what is that, a 6? A 6? I'll use, I think this is also a 6. Okay? It's just a round 6. Ready? Set. Go! Okay! Why didn't you say you needed it?
Well, because obviously I recognized that I was doing much better than you, and
Oh, it would have been an unfair advantage
unfair advantage
to take it from me.
Well, in my eyes, it was unfair. I mean, it wouldn't have actually been, but you know.
I see. Seconds.
I got this in the bag.
Alright. 10 seconds.
Okay, get clapped. I got it.
And done.
Mine won.
These are our final pieces. Took us 10 minutes.
This is what the original looks like. It's the exact same.
This is, I made this. Plus a foot.
See? There. There. Yeah. And this is what I got. They look identical, really. I mean, like, really?
I enjoy your outing. And this is what I got. Yeah.
Because, I mean, like, isn't that exactly what the box depicts? Marine Boy, with a Goomba hat.
Stop kicking the camera.
With a lobster running scared.
I think that's a crab. I could be
It's
wrong.
a Marine Boy. It can be whatever he wants. Don't assume it's species.
Why are you kicking the camera?
I didn't.
Okay. So, now that we have had our 10-minute drawing art challenge, do we want to share some lemonade from Italy? Because guess what I remembered?
Oh no, his foot is melting off.
Whose foot is melting off?
Marine Boy's. I mean, his tail, not foot. Sorry.
Guess what?
Found it.
Guess what?
Maybe.
We could fix it.
Nah, he looks better that way.
He looks better that way? Okay. Do we want to share some victory lemonade from Italy?
Wait.
What?
Perhaps you guys should decide who won.
Oh,
In
yeah.
the comments.
Let us know down below who won. And we're going to share this victory lemonade. So let us know, but we are going to drink the lemonade.
We should announce the winner at some point.
Oh, yeah. And after we find out who wins...
Perhaps not next video. We're going to give it like maybe...
We'll give it 2 weeks.
Yeah, we'll give it 2 weeks to
We'll find that later.
to circulate and for everybody to watch it.
This does look good. Wait, can I have the other cup?
Maybe this will make strange sounds when I drink it.
So, cheers to whoever won. Oh, this is actually really good. What do you think? More art videos in the future? No response. No response! We would like to remind you that this was an Art Snacks box. It was not sponsored, but thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment down below who you thought won. Share, like, subscribe, all those goodies, and we'll see you next time. Bye!